Hey MediaHeads! So today we're going to do a product opening of the Martin Logan Monument 7XW. That is their Masters Series in-wall speaker. I'm really excited about listening to these speakers. They're really efficient. They also are supposedly one of the best in-wall speakers you can get. So let's take a listen. So this is the Martin Logan Monument. It is one of the largest in-wall speakers I've ever seen. It has 7 total drivers. We have a Obsidian folded motion tweeter for high frequencies. We have 2 5-inch mid-range drivers as well as 4 low frequency drivers. So it is a true 3-way in-wall speaker. As far as the driver's construction, we have carbon fiber backed by Nomex, so it's very rigid yet very, very light. Carbon fiber is 6 times lighter than steel for the same strength. It even has a sealed cabinet, which is a little unusual for in-wall speakers, but it's meant to optimize performance. So this is our baffle. What this does is it protects all of the screws and the ways to take out the drivers. It also provides a very, very aesthetic end look, even if someone doesn't care to have the grill on the speaker. The more traditional option is just a speaker grill. Snaps on, held on with magnets, and you can paint it whatever color you want. Stay tuned for a first listening experience as well as our thoughts on it.